Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. The Office of Utilities Regulation OUR says increased consumption was the main cause of the high electricity bills received by customers of the Jamaica Public Service Company JPS earlier this year. The OUR today released the findings of an investigation into complaints from JPS customers. Earlier this year, complaints from JPS customers about high electricity bills, primarily for the March to April 2020 billing cycle. In April, JPS Director of Corporate Communications Winsome Callum told TVJ News that the higher charges for the most part were being driven by increased customer usage.
We're finding that there has been an increase in electricity usage in homes.
She argued that with more people working from home and with children staying home, there was a jump in usage among residential customers.
It ranges from about 5% increase to over 50% increase in some cases.
The OUR started an investigation in the matter and has now completed critical parts of that probe. The OUR said higher consumption was found to be a significant explanatory factor for bill increases. This, the OUR argued, was not unexpected as more persons were staying at home, including children, as schools were ordered closed. The OUR said it also looked at other potential causal factors for bill increases. It noted that billed fuel and IPP rate and foreign exchange adjustment were found to be higher on average during the April to May 2020 period than between January and March 2020. These factors, the regulator argued, would have also contributed to increases in electricity bills of some residential and small commercial customers. The OUR also assessed JPS's billing accuracy. It said for residential accounts, 99.73% of accounts were found to have accurately calculated bills for the months of January to May 2020. For small commercial accounts, this figure was found to be 99.95% accurate. According to the OUR, there were several anomalies in JPS's billing, but these did not significantly impact the increases in the bills. Notwithstanding, JPS will be asked to provide clarification on these anomalies as part of a further investigation. In the meantime, the Office of Utilities Regulation said, in light of the general findings of its investigation, an independent audit of the JPS billing system is not needed at this time. However, the regulator says it will seek to address a number of the issues identified in its investigation of the billing system. The OUR says these include the JPS's failure to comply with directives pertaining to the number of billing days permitted and the lack of notification to customers when their meter readings fall outside the period. Meanwhile, JPS welcomed the OUR's verification of the accuracy of bills. Additionally, JPS says it has now addressed the issue of extended reading periods, with bills now being set at 31 days. The Light and Power Company says exceptions to this will be rare. With regards to the meter reading issue, JPS says it has implemented a series of initiatives to address that problem. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for an average $145.73. The Canadian dollar sold for $112.76. $190.94 was the going rate for the pound sterling, while the euro closed at $169.82. The JC index lost 2,030 points today, and the junior market index is down 2 points. Among the winners were Epley, Blue Power Group, Express Catering, T-Tech, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund. Now on the losing side were Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Paramount Trading, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Jetcon Corporation, and iCreate. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.